Hey everybody, Sam Birch here with a little prop video I'm working on. Today I'm going to show you how to turn this $10 prop axe I found on Amazon. It's a double blade axe. It's advertised as a Jason Voorhees axe. If you look up prop axe and find the double blade one, you'll find it here. A few things I want to talk about in this video is I'm basically going to show how to paint this axe, make it look better, because I mean, there it is. Detail's not great. Really, the paint job's real sloppy. Not my particular paint job I would want to roam around with, but with this, I'm just going to show you real quick what we're going to do. We're just going to take it, repaint it, and modify it to look better, because this is going to go with my Jason Goes to Hell axe prop. So I'm going to make that with it and paint this up so it looks a little bit better. So let's get started. So first things first, I take the axe apart. The head does remove from the handle. I'm going to put them on two separate spots, but with this, I'm going to go over and just spray paint these black. When I'm doing paint jobs like this, I always like to use a black primer first and then add my layers on. But that's what I'm going to do with these pieces. I'm going to get both front and side, get all the angles of these props, get them nice and painted up. Okay everybody, what you're initially seeing right now is that now that the black primer has dried onto the axe, I took some almond paint and painted the handle, and then I covered the axe head all in silver. So in these photos that you're seeing right now, the reason why I didn't do it while I was outside is because it's getting a little windy outside and it's kind of hard to talk over when you got wind blowing in your microphone. So just enjoy these pictures, and that's what I did with them. The next plan is to use the silver to sort of give the axe head like use wear and tear. It's going to have some black on it, and so will the handle. I'm going to touch it up and do some details, but you'll see what's going to happen in the next part. So with a little work and a little paint on this, you can turn this axe into a pretty decent looking prop. I took some, when I did the almond paint on here, I took some brown paint and sort of stained it to give it that brown tinted handle. Took some blacks to it to give it that rubbed and worn look like it's been used, but I got both sides of the axe all painted up. I think it looks pretty good for what it's worth. Like I said, just a little paint work. All I did was sort of paint this black, sort of did some light gray tints to give it that wear look like the axe has been used. Yeah, not too bad for what it's worth. But I mean, that's all you can do with a little bit of paint. You can change a prop axe. I mean, like when I first got this axe, it kind of looked kind of crappy because it was just this really cheesily painted, I could say. You seen in the beginning of the video. Tell how, like, I don't know, I want to say half-ass painted it was. But now it's like with this little bit of touch-up work, you got yourself a really good looking axe. So thank you all for watching and have a nice day.